Hey, hi team. In this video, we are going to discuss another mainframe shortcut command which is useful when you are working with the members in your project. So before I explain further, I request you to please do subscribe our YouTube channel for mainframe shortcuts and mainframe stuff. So I uploaded few more mainframe shortcuts in our YouTube channel. If you go to our playlist Venkat Since 2010 YouTube channel, there is a playlist called Mainframe Shortcuts. In the shortcuts, you can find all tips. Mainframe shortcuts are tips, easy tips, I can say. Let's discuss this particular shortcut. So take a scenario that I want to find a member, but I don't know the entire PDS. Okay, so what we know, we will open a member of the, we'll open the PDS. We are in 3.4. We will open PDS. Then within the PDS, where the text is present, where the particular text is present in, we'll find it. Okay, let's take an example. What you might be knowing, as per my minimal experience, I can say. So we will go here, B14 COBOL.load bar. I will say, so we will open src lib and we will search for string. I'll say division. So what is the use of this one? We are looking for division string. We are looking for a division string where it is present, in which member it is there. For that, we use search for. But I want to search one member, but I forgot to in which PDS it is there. I forgot that where in which PDS it is there. So what you can do, you can give a pattern. Okay, if you don't know anything, just you can give the high level qualifier like this, Venkat A star. You can see total 29 data sets are there. Top right side, we have a 29 data sets are there. Now I will write a member command, member PSM1. It is going to list in how many data sets PSM1 member is there. The member name should be PSM1. It will take some time to search. So once you type, immediately it may not come. You have to wait for a couple of seconds. Depends on the number of data sets are existing with this pattern. Now you can see the result. Member colon PSM1. Here it is present. Here it is present. Here it is present. So in all these three data sets, member one PSM1 is there. So I will try one more one. Member demo1. Enter. It will take some time to search demo1. If there is no demo1, we are getting member not found. So this is all about member command shortcut. Thank you.